Hey, good Saturday morning, YouTube. Hugmeister's Garage and Workshop. Dreary, rainy Saturday. We finally got our E-Track stuff from VEVOR the other day. So we're gonna put that in the enclosed trailer today. But I want to show you what those kits came with. There's actually two kits that I bought. So what you're seeing is, a double order. But it comes with 40 foot of rail. 8 pieces of 5-foot rail, and it ships with all these accessories hooked to the rail so they didn't get lost. Comes with some individual single brackets, comes with end caps, and there's the rest of the rail. It's good sturdy stuff. Say a little bit, we're going to snap some lines out there and start mounting this stuff. But I also ordered a batch of straps I had on there. There was like 8 or 10 for like 47 bucks. Got some of that down in there somewhere. I got some J-hooks off of Amazon to like hook a couple cords up front. But we get going out there, we'll come back and we'll see how she looks. First thing we're gonna do is get a little heat going in here. Man, it's cold. Go in the garage for a little bit, let this warm up, and then we'll be back. Alright, we're off and running. Snapped the high lines for the first set. Got a couple pieces on. Looks pretty good. It's pretty substantial stuff. We'll continue on. Alright, we got one of the long sides done. Got the top side done, and what I'm using in the framing are these 1.5" stainless screws. I got the stainless so I wouldn't get the interaction of the metals. I guess there's a possibility of that, but they were cheap on Amazon. And then 3/4 hex heads in between the studs into the 3/8. I guess you can season them as you like and put as many as you want, but I just put one in between the stud spaces for now. I guess it's all going to depend on, what kind of load you put on it, but we'll keep on going here. Okay, folks, here you go. Finished product. Had enough in 2 of those kits to do both sides. Actually had enough to even put some sections on the floor in case you ever haul something rolling or whatever. Framing on this trailer is 2 foot on center on this Legend, so we just made sure we caught the beams. Then we double screwed through the 3/4 decking on the ends to make sure we got good support. But those kits come with a bunch of these, and what else? Oh, it comes with these singles. And it came with the end caps, but the singles, I use them in these cabinets, and I put a couple of my hooks I bought off Amazon on there. Now these were, I think, $20 for, let's see, $20 for 8 of them maybe, but they're nice hooks for cords. I stuck a piece there. I also bought these straps off of VEVOR, the E straps, and I think those were $47 for, let's see, 8 of them before you use the coupon. But what else? So I had enough for over there. So this is good for storing stuff. So I can hang my cords there or whatever. And I did get my 12-volt power panel supply in there. Just a power panel. But that's probably going to be the next phase of this. Is the rest of the electrical, but say that's got a USB, phone charger. It's got a 12-volt jack, and it's all in this box. I think I'm probably going to end up with just going with a 12-volt inverter charger system with a solar panel on the roof. That's the next phase, because I don't know if they're going to get in stock that combo unit. That's what I'd like to get, but That's 24 volt. If I just stay with 12 volt, I can just get a 3000 watt inverter, and that'll work good enough for what we need in here if we need to run a saw or something. But I think it turned out pretty nice. Tell me what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe to my channel, please. Have a good day.